Hey everyone! Welcome to my Magic Paintbrush channel! Today, we're going to draw and color a Peppa Pig. Let's start drawing with her eyes. And her nose. Now, let's draw the shape of Peppa Pig's head. Start by drawing a big oval, but make it slightly tilted on the left side. Now, let's draw Peppa Pig's ears on top of her head. Let's add a cute circle for Peppa Pig's cheek. Great! Now let's draw Peppa Pig's mouth. She looks very happy. Now, let's draw her body. Let's add her arms. Draw 2 thin lines extending from the sides of her body, and at the end of each arm, draw 3 small fingers. Finally, let's draw her 2 legs. Now, let's draw ice cream for Peppa Pig. First, let's start with the cone. Draw an upside-down triangle with slightly curved edges. This will be the base of our yummy ice cream. Our Peppa Pig drawing is ready. Now, let's add some colors. Now, let's color Peppa Pig's face and legs. Use a soft pink shade to fill in her head, snout, and legs. Fill her dress with a red color to make it stand out. And there you have it. Our Peppa Pig drawing is ready. Great job! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings.